Hey guys, this is Ed Moore from More Smokers, and on today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through how I built this badass grill right here. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Motor Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. I'll show you the good, the bad, and all the sparks in between. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered. Alright, here we are, back at it again. If you've seen the last episode, you'll remember I had some issues setting up the Lincoln. So I just cut some 1/4-inch flat bar to make some weld tests. After battling the machine for 2 hours and taking the torch apart multiple times, this is what ended up happening. Okay, now that the Lincoln's running properly, let's get to building this thing. Here I got all the parts, laser cut, my sketch. Let's tack it all up and prep it for welding. The main body's in place now, let's weld it out. This is how I like my goddamn welds to look like. Quick update, the body's done, everything is welded. I did the intakes, still have to finish them. I also built the supports and figured out how to make the grate stay level, which took me a while. Well, it's on the floor now, looking good. All the notches are level. I still have to figure out what I'm gonna do for the handles. And I also have to build a plancha that sits in here. Well, I went ahead and did just that. Here's the plancha and the handles. I had to do them like this because if I put them on the front, you couldn't hold the weight of this grate full of meat. I know there's people that do like a tool where you can grab it and not get burned, but there's much smaller size than this. So just get a pair of gloves on, and if you're afraid of a little hot steel, go make yourself a salad. You might have seen that I always do aluminum handles. I have to thread them by hand. It's a pain in the ass, but it's worth it. Just these little details that make things stand out. And it's done, guys. This thing is ready to cook on. Beautiful. Beautiful grill. And I'm really happy how the Lincoln's running now. Look at this. I present to you the Enforcer. I'm definitely adding this to my lineup. It's a really beautiful grill. I mean, just the versatility of it. All the great stay level. It took me a while, but was worth it. Even the plancha can be lifted. I love it. On the next episode, we're going to finish this crank system that we were doing. And if you remember at all what happened on episode 2, you might just know what this is about. I've never sandblasted before. Might be fun. Alright guys, if you're liking this series, you know the drill. Subscribe, comment, ask any questions you want. And I'll see you on the next episode.